Hello friends, how are we? Full day here in West Michigan, pushing 80. We have 3 foot, actually 3.5 foot reading at 6 seconds down here at the Dutch Shoe. A lot of things are amiss when you go to the Dutch Shoe in the summertime because there's a lot of people. The beach is packed. I've been watching the camera for maybe an hour now. I'm gonna paddle the channel, surf at DeVos Wave Pool, and that'll be great. Today could be fun. We're gonna get there and we're gonna surf DeVos Wave Pool. I digress. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Get a couple new subscribers every day, so that's great. Couldn't ask for anything more. Make sure to comment if that's your thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment. Go to the bottom of my homepage also and subscribe to all those channels, as I've got some cool YouTube friends. Anyways, it is July 17th and we are on our way to have another Great Lake surf session. Let's go. Look at this. There's a wave over here though. And one. We get a spot in the front row. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Oh, right to the people. Bye. And that, folks, right there is the epitome of surfing at the Dutch Shoe on the north side in the summertime. There are an insane amount of biscuits out today. I'm gonna get both GoPros. I'm going to head over to the south side. There's heaps of people with boogie boards. I'd surf over here if I really wanted to. I think I'm gonna. I think we're just gonna save both GoPros, whatever's left on this one, the one with no sound or screen, for the south side, DeVos Wave Pool. All right, everybody. I think that they might even make it a red flag day here shortly. Can't believe I got a front row spot. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna get ready. Do I want to bring a wetsuit? I should probably bring a wetsuit. Gonna bring a wetsuit, and yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the paddle across the channel. Bye.